PSLE 2022, Paper 2, Questions 1, 2, and 3. Today we are discussing the first 3 2-mark questions in Paper 2, and we are always encouraged to apply the problem-solving heuristics with the correct strategy. So for my case, I'm using RAISE to help me to tackle all questions involving PSLE questions, reading and annotating each question carefully to pick up keywords, key ideas, and of course the important values that I need to use in my equation. From the annotated keywords, I should be able to identify what is the most suitable concepts heuristic to apply to solve the problem. After getting my answer, I always need to have sufficient time to check my work. Checking my work is actually evaluating my original solution. I use a different method, a different concept, a different heuristic to solve the problem, the same problem. If the two different methods arrive at the same answer, I'm good. If the two different methods arrive at different answers, then I have to reread the question, re-annotate, and repeat the cycle. These are the 3 questions that we are discussing today. And I'm going to move on to the first one, which is extremely easy. The first one is to use a protractor to find the size of angle YXZ and to use a ruler to find the length of XY. Now this one I shall not spend too much time on this because I believe these are all very simple measurement skills. So the length of XY is 6.2 cm for my measurements. Okay, so right, for me it is 6.2 cm. Now, if the actual answer given in the PSLE marking is 6.2 cm, so the PSLE markers should accept 6.1 or even 6.3. So plus and minus 1, or rather plus and minus 0.1 cm error is allowed. Okay, so this is correct, this is correct if this is the actual expected answer from us. Now, the size of the angle YXZ to me is 102 degrees. In PSLE, 101, 103 are accepted. That means in PSLE, plus and minus 1 degree error is acceptable if the actual value is this. Alright? Okay, so measuring using a ruler to find the length, measuring using a protractor to find the size, the angle size, is something super easy, and we should not make mistakes for such question. Moving on to question 2. Mariam had caps for sale in the morning, alright, and she sold 1/3 of the caps. So we know that in the morning she sold 1/3 of the caps. So I'm going to present this using model. So 1 whole, these are the total caps, and 1/3, this is sold in the morning. So I'm using AM, and this part will be the remaining caps. Let's continue to do our annotation. Now, in the afternoon, Mariam sold 1/5 of the remaining caps. Okay, so I'm going to do something now. In the afternoon, 1/5 of the remaining caps. So the remaining caps is here. I'm going to draw a drop down model for the remainder, and it is 1/5, so I have to cut it into 5 equal parts. And this particular part here is sold in the afternoon. I use PM. Now, in the end, after that, Mariam had 56 caps left. So this part over here must be 56. So 56 must be 4 units. So using our calculator, using unitary method, 56 divided by 4 is simply 14. Question: how many caps did Mariam have at first? At first, what we need to do is we have to do a little bit of working backwards. So let's find out what is this. Okay, so this is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the remainder. So 5 units. So 14 times 5. Okay, that is 70. So this part is 70. Then we take 70 divided by 2. That gives us 35. So this is our 35. This is our 35. This has to be 35. Remember, this is our 14. So if you find that this method is useful, I strongly encourage you to write down the value in the model. So at first, it will be 35 times 3. So 35 times 3 is 105. So question 2 is done. Moving on to question 3 in the next slide. It is a percentage question. Okay, so I always like to present my answer using a little bit of line graph, like how we tackle science question. Okay, let's take a look at the question. Let's read and annotate. A zoo gives 20% discount on all the tickets on weekdays. All, that means all the zoo visitors, they're all given 20% discount. Now, members visiting the zoo, that means the zoo membership, okay, the friends of the zoo, the members are then, they are further given another, so all the members, they are further given discount of $2. That means for members, zoo members, besides 20% discount, they are given a further on top $2 further discount for every ticket that they buy. So we have a person called Li Ming. Li Ming is a member. So Li Ming carries a membership card for the zoo membership card, and Li Ming paid how much? $54 for 5 tickets on a weekday. So since Li Ming visited the zoo on a weekday, so Li Ming has the first 20, is entitled the first 20% discount. Furthermore, Li Ming is also entitled a membership discount of $2 for every ticket. All right, let's help to find out what is the price of each ticket. All right, without any discount. Okay, now, like what I've said just now, right? I used the line graph representation. So discount means the line graph is coming down. Okay, so this at first, before discount, before any discount, each ticket cost 100%. And on weekdays, visitors are given 20% discount and they only paid 80%. This is 80% is for all visitors, whether you are a member or not. Okay, that's for weekday visitation. Now, for members like Li Ming, okay, Li Ming upon payment, Li Ming actually showed the cashier the membership card, and Li Ming is entitled $2 further discount on every ticket bought. Right? So, and Li Ming actually paid a total of $54 for 5 tickets on weekday. So let's find out what is the price of one ticket. Okay, so 5 tickets for Li Ming, right? Li Ming paid $54. So the price of one ticket that Li Ming paid is 54 divided by 5. So 54 divided by 5 is actually $10.80. So that means this is your 1080 for one ticket. My line graph is all about one ticket. Okay, so I'm going to highlight it for you to have a better understanding. So I'm going to box it up. So it's all involving one ticket, okay? That's the line graph. So first one is like that for every member, or rather for every visitor. And this one is for membership only. Okay, discount. So if it's a discount, means the graph is coming down. All right. Okay, now, so if Li Ming paid $10.80 for one ticket upon producing the membership card, that means he's entitled $2 of a further discount, right? That means without the membership card, Li Ming must pay $12.80. Now, how did I get $12.80? Very simple. $10.80 plus $2 will be $12.80. So $12.80 will be the actual price of one ticket, not using the membership discount. That means $12.80 is actually the same as 80%. So 80% is $12.80. 1% would be simply 1280 divided by 80, right? And that gives us 16 cents. And we want to find the original price over here of one ticket, no discount at all. So very simply, 16 cents times 100, that gives us $16. So the answer for question 3 is completed, is $16. Okay? Right, so this is the strategy that I always use to discuss questions involving percentage, whether it's a discount or GST. I like to use the line graph. So if it's a discount question, the line graph will be coming downwards. If it's a GST question, it will be moving upwards. So it's quite similar to the science concept that you always learn, that you always see in the open-ended questions or MCQ. Question 3 is completed. In this video, we have already completed discussing questions 1, 2, and 3 in paper 2 of the year 2022. Now, my coming videos that I'll be sharing with you will be on the last 5 questions in paper 1 of 2022, questions 26 to question 30. So look out for them when they are uploaded in my channel. To know when they are uploaded, very simple. You subscribe and you'll be notified. Now, what about today's video involving question 22, 2022, question 1, 2, and 3, PSLE 2022, questions 1, 2, and 3. Are they okay? If they're okay, give me a like. Share with me any feedback so that I can do better, or any clarification to clear any doubts. It's my joy to clear your doubts, to help you to better understand. Is there any other questions that you want me to share with you? And don't forget to share this video link with your other friends. This is Joseph. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for viewing these particular videos and all my videos. Thank you for your support. Thank you for being there. I'm going to sign off now. Joseph signing off. Goodbye and you take care.